But what if I told you some people are literally born with superpowers? Not the flying kind, not the laser eyes kind, the kind that comes with a medical diagnosis. Today we're covering 4 real disorders that sound like something straight out of a Marvel script. Except they're not fiction. These people actually exist. And honestly, some of them are terrifying. Starting with number 4, polymelia. Or, as I like to call it, the extra limbs. Some people are born with extra arms or legs. In some cases, these extra limbs actually work. Functional fingers, functional toes, extra grip, extra reach. There was a girl in India born with 4 arms and 4 legs. Locals literally thought that she was a goddess. Now, obviously, extra limbs come with serious challenges, movement, coordination, daily life. It's genuinely difficult, but from a pure superpower standpoint, having 4 arms is objectively incredible. Number 3, hyperthymesia, also called highly superior autobiographical memory. Imagine remembering literally every single day of your life. Every conversation, every meal, every embarrassing moment, every single one. Tell someone with hyperthymesia a random date from 10 years ago. They'll tell you the day of the week, what they were wearing, what they ate, what song was playing in the background, without even trying. There are fewer than 100 confirmed cases in the entire world. So this is genuinely one of the rarest things a human being can have. Sounds incredible, right? Here's the catch. You also remember every painful memory. Every embarrassing thing you ever said, every fight, every loss, every cringe moment from 2009. Forever, in HD, with full emotional replay. One person with this condition described it as a burden, said they can never escape their past, because their past is always right there. So yeah, superpower, but at a cost. Number 2, fibrodysplasia ossificans progressiva, or FOP for short, because no human being should have to say that full name more than once. This one is wild. FOP is a condition where your body slowly turns your muscles into bone, not metaphorically, literally your soft tissue. Your muscles, your tendons, turning into bone. Your body essentially builds a second skeleton on the outside of your first one, a natural exoskeleton, like Iron Man, except you didn't sign up for it, and you can't take it off. There are only about 700 known cases worldwide, 1 in every 2 million people, and here's where it gets darker. Any injury, any surgery, and any bump or bruise triggers more bone growth. So if doctors try to remove the bone, more bone grows back, faster. There is currently no cure. The superpower here is obvious. A literal second skeleton protecting your body. The nightmare is that it slowly takes away every movement you have. Until eventually, you can't move at all. This one isn't funny, bro. This one is just wild and sad. And number 1, the biggest one, or CIP, congenital insensitivity to pain. These people feel absolutely zero pain. From birth, no pain signals, no pain receptors firing, nothing. You could step on a Lego and feel nothing. There was a real guy called Edward Gibson. He had CIP and became a literal stage performer. He'd ask audiences to stab him with needles, up to 50 people at a time, stabbing him, and he'd just stand there, completely fine. They called him the human pincushion. And yes, that was a real job, in real history, that a real human chose. But here's the problem. Pain exists for a reason. It's your body's alarm system. Your internal warning that says, hey, stop doing that, you're going to die. Without pain, you don't know when you're injured. You don't know when you've broken a bone. You don't know when your appendix is about to explode. People with CIP die younger because their body never tells them when something is wrong. So what looks like the ultimate superpower is actually one of the most dangerous conditions a human can have. Pain is not your enemy, bro. Pain is the only thing keeping you alive. So there you have it. 4 real disorders that sound like superpowers. Extra limbs, perfect memory, a natural exoskeleton, and zero pain. All of them real. All of them documented. And all of them, when you look closely, come with a price nobody would actually want to pay. If you want more videos like this, subscribe, because we're just getting started.